The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Right here, my ask is in. Me have one sitting there, one grabber. You see me? I would have one sitting like a machine or you swipe pick yard, but not so big. I want like a small machine like. So what that they do is like, say as an example, somebody give them card for buy gas or sitting off of it. If you can run it through a grabber, if a $1 million they have in an account, he grabber pick up the information and go build a different card off of it and get the whole $1 million out of account and would have split it like 50-50 for me and you. You see me? So that's why I ask you. So what I do is I gear a grabber, and like if somebody come there if buy sitting or so, you would run it card through a grabber first, and then you run it through for your original machine and charge them a normal amount of money where they would purchase the item for. But what we would do is we would have the card information on the grabber. So I would wait until they go somewhere else go use the card again. Then me just bill a card off of it and take out the whole money out of the account.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Sh0t there. Big up respect to each and every one, I have some topics to talk about right about now, viewers and subscribers, worldwide from Jamaica straight out there. See me? These things I'm going to talk about, viewers and subscribers, I must admit it, some of these things are considered to be shocking. Yes, what I'm saying to you? I just presented a audio to you, my viewers and subscribers, and that audio is out on social media. I mean, all over on social media, And it is said that this audio is of a person that is considered to be a scammer. You see me? Now, I think that they call this person a scammer or, somebody that hacks into person's bank account or so on because, some of the things that this person had said that gives me and others on social media the understanding that this person is basically saying some things of how to try to get or get a hold of persons banking informations or the person's credit or debit cards informations. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, that's how me understand it, isn't me? Me might be wrong, me might be right. You can let me know what you think. And if what has been said about this audio on social media, if it is true, then viewers and subscribers, I'd like to point it out to each and everyone out there to be careful of how you use your cards and try your best to keep your banking informations as private as possible and safe and secure. All right, well, anyways, I'm going to move on to the first video, viewers and subscribers, and the first video that I'm going to present here right about now, according to what has been said about it on social media and according to reports out there, it is said that a African-American male had been shot and killed by Indianapolis police, you see me, and this had happened somewhere within the United States of America. And this is said to have happened on the 6th of May 2020. It is said that the African-American male had been shot multiple times, and it is said that the person was live streaming on social media during the time that the person had been shot and killed. It is also said that this person is a United States Air Force veteran, and other things had been said about this person as well. Now, please bear in mind that all that I'm telling you about this person and the incident that had happened, it is according to how I understand as to what has been said in reports out there and on social media, all right? And that there might be more information about this whole thing. Now, I'm going to show you the video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And before I show you this video, I am going to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, now take a look, listen, and observe.
What the fuck is this? Is this Michigan? Come on. How the fuck? What street is this? I'm finna park this motherfucker to get the fuck out. On baby, what's this? Michigan and what? Michigan and what? Ace? I'm finna park this motherfucker at Ace. On 62nd in Michigan? Somebody come get my stupid ass. Please come get me. Please come get me. Please go get me. I'm on 62nd in Michigan. I just parked this motherfucker. I'm gone. Please come get me. What you say? Fuck you. Shit.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Yes, so this is something that is being talked about on social media, you know, and you know, all kinds of speculations and assumptions have been made about this video and the incident, you know. I'm gonna just bring it to you to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on, viewers and subscribers. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. You see me? Now, this video that I'm going to present to you, viewers and subscribers, you know, yes, out on social media also, and this video shows of a person that not only attacked a police officer, but it is said that this person also damaged the police vehicle. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and viewers and subscribers, you know, I don't have any exact information as to exactly where this had happened or when this had happened, but however, by looking at the video, you will see the word Toronto on the police vehicle, so that might give a little understanding to some of my viewers and subscribers as to where this had happened. Yes, what I'm saying to you. Now, here are some of the questions that had been asked about this video on social media. What could have caused for someone to attack a police officer and damage the police vehicle like that? And what had happened to that person that had done something like this? Those are the questions that are being asked, viewers and subscribers, you know. So, you know, I bring this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. All right, and I'm going to show you the video right about now, but before I show you this video, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers, the video that shows of a person that not only attacked a police officer, but it is said that the person also damaged the police vehicle. Now, I do not have any information as to what had happened to that person. You know, I don't have any information if that person had been charged or so on, you see me? Alright, now the final video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? I really want to point out some things about what had happened in this video, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, because this video is about a person that lifted something that is heavy, you see me? Yeah, some persons might call it lifting weights, you see me? And you know the whole thing where persons lift weights and them things, it is also known as a sports out there, you see me? Yeah, and I'm talking about lifting the weights that is in the gym and all these things. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? No, more for point it out that, you know, I'm not against, you know, lifting weights or bodybuilding or exercising to stay healthy, you see me? Because exercising to stay healthy is a good thing, you see me? But however, if you're going to exercise to stay healthy, or if you're going to lift weights or, you know, those kind of bodybuilding things, I would like to advise persons out there to be careful of the amount of weights they are lifting, is what I'm saying to you, and be careful of what they are lifting and considering it as weight. You get what I'm saying to you? You should only use the proper tools. You understand me? Use the proper tools. And to also do this weightlifting thing or exercising when you have company around you. You understand me? Yes, make sure someone is there when you're trying to do your exercise or you're lifting your weights, because exercising and lifting weights, you know, even though it is something that is good for you, it can be dangerous some of the times, depending as to what had happened. You know, sometimes you have persons that will be exercising and, you know, they might faint, or, you know, they might, you know, injure some part of them or something. You see what I'm saying to you? So just in case if a person is exercising or lifting weights, and that person that was exercising and lifting weights had fainted or injured themselves, then the other person can call the police or a ambulance to help the person that had injured themselves or, you know, fainted while lifting weights. Yeah, so make sure someone is around when you're doing these things, all right? But anyways, I have a video that I'm going to show you right about now, and you know, according to some of the things that I had seen in this video, and according to some of the things that had been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a person that was lifting something that is heavy, you see me? And some persons consider it to be weights, but however, to my knowledge, that don't look like the proper weightlifting tools that are used in a gym. But however, I'm just telling you according to what has been said about it on social media. And while this person had lifted something that is heavy, something had happened, you see me? And you know, viewers and subscribers, what had happened, I find it to be dangerous, and that is why I say that you should make sure you have someone around or have company when you're exercising or lifting these weights or doing, you know, these kind of physical activities. You get what I'm saying to you? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, yeah, I'm going to show you the video right about now so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think about it, you see me? But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, all right? Now take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh man. Oh shit. I just passed up. Oh shit.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want, you see me? And you can let me know what you think about all these videos and the audio that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, yes, they are out on social media. Comments have been made about these videos and the audio. I'm bringing it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at these things. You can also tell me what you think. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one, you see me? And this is where I leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.